She is afraid spiders. What's the correct answer? Of, from, or on? The correct answer is of. She is afraid of spiders. Afraid is always followed by of when talking about fear. We are waiting the bus. What's the correct answer? To, for, or with? The correct answer is for. We are waiting for the bus. We always use for when talking about expecting someone or something. He apologized being late. What's the correct answer? At, for, or in? The correct answer is for. He apologized for being late. Apologize for is the correct phrase when saying sorry about something. I am looking forward the weekend. What's the correct answer? On, at, or to? The correct answer is to. I am looking forward to the weekend. Look forward to means to be excited about something in the future. This book belongs my sister. What's the correct answer? On, to, or in? The correct answer is to. This book belongs to my sister. Belong to is used when talking about ownership or possession. She is good playing the piano. What's the correct answer? At, with, or on? The correct answer is at. She is good at playing the piano. Good at is used to describe skills or abilities. I agree. You. What's the correct answer? With, on, or in? The correct answer is with. I agree with you. Agree with means to share the same opinion as someone. The cat is sitting the table. What's the correct answer? On, in, or at? The correct answer is on. The cat is sitting on the table. On is used when something is resting on a surface. I will meet you Monday. What's the correct answer? In, at, or on? The correct answer is on. I will meet you on Monday. On is used with days of the week. She is married. A doctor. What's the correct answer? At, with, or to? The correct answer is to. She is married to a doctor. Married to is the correct phrase. How many questions did you get right? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Your support helps me create more useful lessons for you. See you in the next video.